Hello friends, yesterday I taught you one part of the synthesis. In that part I taught you how to join two simple sentences in one simple sentence by using present participle. There I told you if each, am, are, was, were are given in one of the sentence or it as the subject of the sentence, then you will use is, am, are, was, were into being and then form the new sentence. In other sentence, if there is a fastness in action of the second verb of the sentence, then we use present participle method to convert two simple sentences into a new simple sentence. But here we are going to use perfect participle. How to differentiate that whether we use present participle or perfect participle? If there is a fastness in action of the second verb, then we use present participle. If no fastness is present, then we use perfect participle. What is the meaning of the perfect participle? Whenever it is the requirement of the perfect participle, use having plus past participle form of the verb. कहने का मतलब वाक्य की शुरुआत में आप having का प्रयोग करेंगे, having के तुरंत पश्चात past participle form of the verb. Here are some example. First example is I took my lunch, I went to office. Subject are the same. There is no fastness in verb of the second sentence, so we use perfect participle. For using the perfect participle, we have used having taken. We have converted took into past participle form, having taken lunch, then use comma, I went to office. In the same way, second sentence, he wrote a letter, he posted it. The same method will be applied here. Having written a letter, he posted it. Then the third one is he played a match. Second sentence, he went to college. Here there is no fastness, subjects are same, so use having played a match, use comma, he went to college. We have already saw two methods how to convert two simple sentences into one simple sentence. The first was by using the present participle and the second was by using the perfect participle. Now we are going to learn how to use past participle to join two simple sentences into a single sentences. First thing we should be in our mind, and that is past participle is always used as an adjective. If the object of first sentence has a relation with the verb of second sentence, we should always use past participle as an adjective method. Here is the sentence, he met a child, the child was weeping. The verb weeping is related to the object of the first sentence, child. We will use the verb either in ing form or in past participle form, because these two forms of the verb can be used to convert a verb into an adjective. So he met a weeping child. We have used here the verb of second sentence just before the object of the first sentence. The object of first sentence is a noun, and you know very well that an adjective is always used before a noun. The second sentence is she found a dog. Here first sentence is complete. The dog was black. Here dog and black. Black is as an adjective. It will be used just before the object of the first sentence, and the object of the first sentence is dog here. So the new form sentence will be she found a black dog. Now the last sentence of participle. I saw a lion. The lion was wounded. Here lion is related to the verb of the second sentence, wounded. So we will also use past participle method in this sentence. I saw a wounded lion. Students, now the use of participle, either that is present participle, perfect participle or past participle, has completed. Next topic we will use some more method so that we can convert two simple sentences into one simple sentence. Till then, goodbye.